In the midst of beautiful Tellico Village, have we a rare find for you? Welcome to 203 Chuniloti Way. On a flat parcel, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath estate provides over 3,100 square feet of absolutely luxurious living area, with some of the most outstanding lake views imaginable from almost every room. It all begins in the first of 2 great rooms, centered by a gas fireplace. The elegant dining area is only a few steps away, which in turn opens to the spectacular sitting and game room with sauna. The second great room is not only made to accommodate a large group, it allows you to access a grand back patio, and it's the perfect complement to your chef's kitchen. Bedrooms are exceptionally comfortable. They're stylish. They're private. The master bedroom opens to a spectacular back deck that looks out over the main channel of Tellico Lake. And entertain in style by this extra-large backyard pool as you prepare and serve exceptional meals and refreshments to your guests in the outdoor kitchen and bar, or go boating on the lake from your own personal dock. In fact, this is the perfect location for you to enjoy everything as you ride your golf cart to Toqua for a round and then enjoy dinner at the Toqua Grill. With tremendous amenities throughout, 203 Chuniloti Way in Tellico Village awaits your private tour. Call Tim or Ron Kukla of Smoky Mountain Realty direct at 865-986-4646.